Equality before law prohibits discrimination, race, gender, caste, and place of birth. It also includes equal opportunity in the matters of abolition of untouchability and titles, right to live in equal opportunities. It treats people the same and nobody can get special privileges which will dishonor any individual group. It is increasingly a positive idea inferring equality of treatment in equal conditions. For real life application, the principle of equality, all things are considered, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, architect of Indian Constitution, and Gandhiji's intellectual kinship had the most enduring impact on India, who thought of practices and have most decisively shaped relations between religious politics of India. Ambedkar and Gandhi inherited the concept of equality from modern Hinduism. Our preamble promised to secure social justice and economic political equality before law between all the states. Therefore, every must have equal access to these rights. Article 14 declares equal protection before law and shall to all on the ground of sex, women, and children. Caste-based reservation. Ambedkar backed to rethink on quotas despite of 50 years of affirmative action on India's most marginalized community. Though these policies were initially designed a temporary measure to redress historical wrongs and advance the well-being of marginalized by directly increasing the share of local reservations.